I've been quarantined for 36 hours. I had a cold.
I gotta take her out today. We're going to Emerald Beach.
And we're gonna do it on our own this time, and we're gonna show you how easy it is. Let's go.
All right. Today we are in St. Thomas, Virgin Islands.
And today we're gonna go to Emerald Beach, and this time we're gonna do it on our own and show you. Right now, for the excursion, if you do it on Royal Caribbean, it's $79.99 per person. We're gonna, yeah, right? Wow. But we're gonna show you how you can do it on your own for like just fractions of the cost. So come along, let's go.
Let's do it. Like a beautiful day.
Looks like a beautiful day. So, come off the ship, get out of the port. And taxi ride's about 5 minutes, if that. So now we gotta go find a taxi. It should be $5 per person. We'll take you where the taxis are, right?
Exactly. And it's not a bad walk.
No.
And if you're wheelchair accessible, it's very paved. It has little
Thank you.
There's it's pretty stone, pretty decent.
Look at that. Just follow the signs. Just go on out this way. Dun, 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 dun.
And there's a directory sign if you do get turned around.
Where?
Right there on that corner.
Did it say it?
It did.
I didn't see it. There you go, right there again. Good thing we brought extra. 6. Okay.
Haven't walked it.
I'm not gonna walk it. I want to go down that way.
This is the beach bar.
The beach bar. Woo! Wow, it's pretty. So you want to go down further that way?
Down towards that way.
Okay. So we're gonna go all the way down there. We'll get back at you. Think. So they wanted 25 for the front.
Hey, morning, guys. You like a drink?
In a little while after we go swimming, we'll get some
How
drinks.
much is that?
Let me see your drink.
Take a look. If you want a bucket of beers, pina colada. My name is Scotty.
Okay, and you take credit card. That's awesome. We will get stuff later on.
You know.
Guaranteed.
Anybody come tell you you have a server? Already, I'm your server.
Okay, what's your name?
Cotty.
Kati?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at me. Look at you.
Island Val.
Island Val. We were swimming for almost 3 hours.
Yeah, almost 3 hours.
3 hours. So far so good.
Got my finger in there.
Still got my cold. It was $6 each cab ride, and $20 we paid for the chair. We'll do that later. I can't hear myself.
Right.
$6 back. Easy. Still not feeling 100%.
Well, we got you in the water.
We swam a long time.
Almost 2.5 hours.
It was a good day. And we'll do a review when we get back.
Yeah.
And we're back safe.
All right, we are back at the ship.
So we did the same as the excursion would have been. We spent extra time and
an extra hour, I think.
an extra hours, and we'll go through the breakdown of how much it costs when we get past the security guy. Woman. Thank you. Okay.
Good day.
Come on, Jim. Look at that view. That's Bushwhacker Tuesday over there.
Oh, they are.
Say hi, y'all. Bushwhacker Tuesday.
Yeah.
Okay, so breakdown. The excursion, they're charging This week I saw it for $79.99 per person to Emerald Beach, and we did it on our own. And we did before we did it, but okay. Breakdown: $6 per person cab ride.
Going.
$6 back, so that's $24. And then the chairs, there was a little disagreement there. Be careful, somebody told us they asked for $50 a chair. Well, per person, but don't pay more than $25 for 2 chairs and 1 umbrella. So we paid $20 for a chair and 2 chairs and an umbrella.
And if there's enough vendors that if they start quoting 50 crazy numbers, tell them, well, we'll just go down. Just go down, because it's not a crowded beach. You can get your price. I would $20. They should take it. Yeah. 20, 25. Don't go any higher. So is it worth it? I think it is.
I think it is. I think it's worth going on your own. It's easy. It's 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. It's not crowded. No traffic. I would do it. Easy in and out. Easy in and out. Save yourself $80. Go on your own. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. And look at that beautiful ship. I might have to quarantine myself another day. I'm still coughing a little bit. I spent 36 hours in my room sleeping. That's how bad it was.